We are Designare, a group of life coaches and professionals
that aims to help people succeed by discovering their design purpose
and become influential leaders that will transform nation.
So una, we strategically assigned our life coaching groups sa mga cities like Makati, Manila, Ortigas, QC, and even sa mga suburban areas natin so that professionals can easily access our life coaching groups through Designare. Secondly, we equip our life coaches with skills to help professionals discover their design purpose and navigate life complexities, helping them to succeed sa field kung saan talaga sila nilagay ni Lord.
We are conducting events that are focused on addressing the needs of professionals in the workplace.
Ang mga ginagawa namin sa life coaching group namin is we invite people. So per company, per member, nag-i-invite sila sa companies nila. And also, historically, kahit noon pa na mga pinakaunang life coaching group namin, meron talaga kaming members na pinapapasok nila yung Designare sa company nila. So there are members na nagpapasa ng letter from Designare to perform or to conduct life coaching group sa loob mismo ng companies nila.
So with that, we craft relevant events that catches the attention of the young professional and the seasoned professional audience. We answer life problems and we provide skills na kailangan nila in order to succeed dun sa trabaho na ginagawa nila. Also, we connect to companies and provide them with the needs ng trainings or mga coaching sessions na kailangan nila to motivate their employees and to help them improve in doing their work doon naman sa loob ng mga companies.
Okay. So first things first, we make sure na relevant sa kanila yung topic and it's something that they can use in their career and even sa personal life nila. We brainstorm yung mga ideas with other coaches ng Designare kung ano nga ba talaga yung kailangan ng mga professionals in the workplace and then we plan and execute the event. Mostly by doing big groups where we gather yung mga life coaching members natin from different areas para maramdaman ng mga new friends natin yung community ng Designare.
Ina-apply namin ito sa grupo namin through befriending, lalo na yung mga HR namin. So meron kaming members na talagang kinakaibigan nila yung HR head nila or supervisor, even staffs, so that they can propose yung Designare.
Gusto namin mas makilala pa ang Designare bilang isang association ng mga professionals and life coaches that really help people to discover their purpose. At gusto din namin makita nila na merong isang organization na willing tumulong sa kanila on how to live out the purpose na meron sila and at the same time ma-fulfill nila yon sa kanilang buhay. Next thing that we want to do is to produce excellent life coaches. No? Magkaroon talaga tayo ng mga life coaches who will really be known in their field for adding value, for being excellent, for having godly principles na talagang mag-give ng glory kay God. We also want to see more success stories of change and success in our operations sa Designare. Lastly, we also want to impart godly influence on companies and organizations on how they can lead people, run their companies, and fulfill their God-given purpose.
Gusto namin maka-reach out pa ng maraming professionals. We believe in our mission to produce more leaders who will influence and transform nations. So we're planning and thinking of different strategies how we can penetrate yung mga companies na wala pang Designare members.
Ang gusto namin ma-achieve sa life coaching group is to transform the workplace. So yung mga topics sa Designare are tools na very helpful for everyone, hindi lang sa mga bago or sa mga Gen Z na professionals, but even to those who are working for a long time sa loob ng company. And we also want to help these young professionals to discover their purpose and to have a healthier lifestyle by having other than work activities through this life coaching group.
In Designare,
Our goal is to coach you
Success.